Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preheating the grill sandwich maker to medium-high so the bread crisps while eggs set. Once hot, beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon milk to keep texture tender. Make sure to butter the outer bread faces now. This ensures even browning. Place a non-stick spray or small oil smear on plates if needed. Next, assemble quickly. Buttered sides out, egg mixture ready to pour, and cheese at hand so you can move to the cook without delay. Once the maker is hot, pour egg directly into the cavity if it's shallow and can hold liquid. Otherwise, cook the scrambled egg briefly in a pan and transfer. Place 1 slice of bread on the heated surface, add the egg, then layer cheese and any fillings, tomato, ham, or herbs, ensuring even coverage. Close the grill maker firmly so pressure seals the bread. This crisps edges and melts cheese. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, monitoring color. Lift slightly to check if the egg is set and cheese is melted. You finish by carefully removing the sandwich and letting it rest for 30 to 60 seconds so steam redistributes and the interior firms. Once done, cut diagonally and serve immediately for best texture. If the sandwich is soggy, make sure you used butter outside and either toast an extra minute or open and press gently with a spatula to evaporate moisture. If the egg is undercooked, return it to the grill for 1 to 2 minutes at slightly lower heat so the center sets without burning the bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.